Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to get to interactive lessons in our math program. I am using Jaslyn's account right now to show you the student version, so this is what yours should look like, or something similar to it. So first you're going to find this little dude, the little yellow smiley face with a black background. This is our math program. Click on him, and it will take you to your home page. Hello, Jaslyn. So next, you're going to go up here, and there are different tabs. Find the one that says Discover. This is where you would find the module that we're in. If you don't know, I will let you know. I will let you know when I tell you which lesson we're going to be doing. Right now, we're in Module 1, so I'm going to click on Module 1. This takes you to the unit opener page. This is not the lesson. This is just introducing you to the concept. And so, to get to the lesson, we're going to come up here to this little hamburger, or the 3 lines. Click on that. And right now, we are in this first one. I will let you know if that's different, but right now we're right here. A lesson that I would like some of you to do on here would be this one. This is use a pattern to multiply by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. The day that we did this, we had 7 or 8 kids absent. So that's why I'm showing you how to do this one. You're going to click on that, and then task 1. That will take you to the interactive lesson. So, if you would like, there is audio that you can play where it will kind of read the questions for you and walk you through it. This is for if you're not in class with me and I'm not here to walk you through it. That's what this is for. You can also take notes as you go, and you can turn on a read-along highlight. So as it reads it, it'll highlight the word that it's on, so you can follow along a little easier. So you'll go through, fill out all the blanks, check your work, and it will tell you if you did it correctly and the reason why. And then there are drag and drops, check your work, it'll tell you if you did it correctly and why. When you get down to turn in talks, it would be best if you could do this with a parent or a sibling or even a dog or a stuffed animal, just so that you can talk through what you think the answer to this question is. If you have any questions at all on how to get to these, you can watch this video again, and if you still have questions, you're welcome to email me. Thanks guys, see you later.